Okay, welcome to this edition of How to File Your Taxes Online using mytaxfast.com. That's mytaxfast.com. Okay, today, as you can see, this is the website for mytaxfast.com. And a little introduction to everything. And to go right into filing your taxes online, you click right here. Click here to file your taxes online. And it takes you into our portal, our 1040.com portal. Now, you can, as you can see right here, it says start free trial. Basically, you can just go through and set up, sign up, and log in, or you can start right here at the beginning and create a new login. Basically, just some general information about you, and allowing you to create a login ID and password. No charge. You can go all the way through the entire process of calculating your return and then decide, no, I don't want to use it. I want to do something different. Your choice. Returning users just simply log in, and just a little bit slow here, but there we go. Okay, logging in. Getting started. You can claim, can you be claimed as a dependent on someone else's return? If yes, you check yes. If you put no, if no, check no. So if you are an independent person and cannot be filed on your parents' return or someone else's return, you check no. Then it tells the system to be aware of that. If you have dependents, you would check yes, and then the system is going to give you forms to fill out information pertaining to your dependents. And after all that, you would go to review to do a recap. Now again, you can bounce back and forth on all of these. Several questions pertaining to what type of income you may have had. Did you have W-2s? For me, it was yes. 1099 interest or 1099 dividends, yes. 401k distributions or Social Security, yes. Did you have investment income such as stocks or bonds? No. For me, no. Did you have any business income? Yes. Did you have any rental property? Yes. Do you have any other, possibly unemployment, lottery winnings, or alimony? And so you click all the ones that pertain to you. And then the system will provide forms to fill out for those types of income. And again, you would end up at the section where it says review, because the forms are pretty much self-explanatory. If you say I had this type of income, there's usually a form that's going to go with it, and you can line that form up, match that form up with what the system has given you as a form, and fill it out. So you would do a recap of all of your income, wages, in 1099, Schedule C, Schedule E for rental income. As you can see, W-2, 1099, Schedule C, Schedule E for rental income. You do your review, and next we would go to all of our deductions and credits. Of course, same thing applies with your deductions and credits. You would simply answer the questions that apply to you as yes. Those that do not apply to you, answer no, and the system will provide all of the forms. For example, did you have any dental or medical and or insurance premiums during the tax year? Did you pay for any educational tuition fees or student loan interest? Did you have did you purchase a vehicle or pay vehicle registration during the year? Did you make charitable donations? All of these questions, do you own or did you purchase a home during the tax year? These questions are designed to determine the type of whether you're going to use a standard deduction or an itemized deduction. It's going to also help us in assisting you in determining what credits you are due. Again, we will do a quick review just to make sure everything is okay. Our Schedule A, itemized deductions, mortgage interest, and other adjustments to our income. Then it would allow us to do a state return, uh, finalize our return, and in your final return, it would ask just a couple of few general questions, and from there you can proceed to the checkout. In the checkout, there's no need to have a credit card unless you have a balance due. But other than that, if you have a refund, then the fees for filing your return can simply be taken out of the return itself. And if you're filing an EZ, 1040 EZ, there is no charge at all except for the state return. Thank you for visiting us here at mytaxfast.com, a tutorial on how to use the online tax preparation.